Do you want to know the most common mistakes that students of the English language make? Aya atawet bazanit باوترین هەڵەکانی طلبەکانی زمانی ئینگلیزی چیە? But you don't have a friend who's a native speaker to help you? Don't worry, خەمت نەبێت. Today I'm going to teach you one of these most common mistakes and how you can avoid it and speak more like a native speaker. با دەست پێ بکەین, let's get started. One of the most common mistakes that my English students make is confusing the phrases so much and too much. But too much and so much do not mean the same thing. In fact, one of them has a negative meaning and one of them has a positive meaning. یەکێک لەوان مانای ئەڕێنی هەیە و یەکێک لەوان مانای نەڕێنی هەیە. Do you know which one? Many times my students will say something like, Teacher, I love dolma too much. What they are trying to say is that they love dolma. Mamosta zor hazam la dolmaya. They are trying to say something positive about their feelings for dolma. Shtehi areni. But the phrase too much really has a negative meaning. Manai nareni hea. Too much means I love something at a level that is bad for me. Hazam l'shtik la'astik kachrapa bomin. Yes, Puragyan, someone can love dolma too much at a level that has negative effects on their health. And Puragyan, if this video is helpful for you, then please hit that subscribe button. Agar am video basud bet boto, ve zahmat panjay dukmay subscribe ka. Zor spas. So, my students are trying to say that they really like dolma. So they should say, I love dolma so much. I like dolma so much means it is one of my favorite foods. Here, so much has a positive meaning. I think that dolma is delicious. But I like dolma too much means I'm getting fat from eating dolma. This is because too much has a negative meaning. Debasha, how can you practice this so that you stop making this mistake? Well, make a list of things that you like. Write down or say to yourself the things that you like so much. For example, I like ice cream so much. I like hauraman so much. I like hinaka so much. Then make a list of things that you like too much so that they have a negative effect on your life. For example, I like chai too much, so I have to go to the dentist. Or, I like sleeping too much, so I am always late for work. Remember, use too much for something that is negative and use so much for something that is positive. Now you know how to avoid this common mistake. Until tomorrow, hatas sebene, wa'afis.